And tell me when it's 5. Stop it when it's 5:30.
All right, so
That's a long time.
To 10 points?
Yeah, let's see if we can get to 10 points in 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Okay. All right. You ready?
Yes.
You want to be the goalie?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa, this is a really dangerous game.
Get that first point.
Hello? Hello? I've got you.
2-0.
There's nothing. There's nothing. Baby, there. Hello.
Woohoo! 2-1. Three to 1.
Hello. Ah! That's uncountable because it's making me trip.
3 to 1 still. At least it made a good sound. That was scary.
Well, I have some scary sky stories. One of the scariest.
Where'd it go? I didn't even see where. Was that a point? Oh, that was a point. 4 to 1.
Yeah, actually I have 5. Mommy went inside there. That's funny. And I had the Iron Man toy on top of the roof. Kick. I've got really cool skills.
Five to 1. 6 to 1. It went behind me, right?
Let's see how long it's been. Stop it when it's 5:30.
Is it sudden death? Who's ever leading wins?
I stopped it. I've got a skill. With the garbage can.
6-1 still?
Yeah. Garbage can counts as a goalie point.